Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Samad Khan from sociallypro.com, and today I'm going to show you how you can save videos from Facebook using our free online all-in-one video downloader tool. So let's get started. So today is our great day because we have introduced and launched our free all-in-one video downloader tool, so that you can use it to grab your favorite videos into your phone gallery or PC, because this tool is 100% responsive and work on all devices. So let me show you the tool first. And this is our free all-in-one video downloader tool. As you can see right now, you can download videos from 25 plus sources, for example YouTube, Facebook, Dailymotion, Flickr, IMDb, Instagram, and TikTok, Tumblr, Twitch, Twitter, Vimeo, VK, and YouTube, etc. in just one click. And I'll show you the demo in next couple of seconds. So how you can find this tool? So you just need to get into your Google search and type in all-in-one video downloader by Socially Pro, as you can see right now. So as you can see, there is our first link, free online video downloader. So you need to click on this link and you will get here. Now all you have to do to download your favorite videos in your mobile or PC is to copy the video source URL, and to do so, just go ahead and open up, for example, I'll go with this video, I'll play it and I'll copy its link. Now the link is copied to my clipboard. I'll go back to the tool and paste in my URL here. Now all you have to do is to tap or click on the download button, and that's it. You will see all the available formats for that video in here, and you will see your video preview as well. So to download the video in any size or any format you like, just hit that button and now your download should start in a couple of seconds. So be patient with that and wait for at least 3 to 10 seconds. And boom, now as you can see, our download is ready to go. So I'll hit that download option and boom, as you can see, my download has been started. I'll go to my download page. The video is now downloading. So this is how you can download videos from Facebook and any other sources using the Socially Pro free all-in-one video downloader. So that was it for today, guys. I have just told you that how you can save or download videos for free using our all-in-one video downloader tool. For more videos and tutorials like this, you can subscribe to this channel and visit my blog sociallypro.com for more information. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.